Because of the redesign to the hydraulics, we're actually able to multitask better than in previous models. With this machine, I can travel this machine and put a flail mower on the outside, and I can travel along roadside and maintain my edges of the road, cut the grass, maintain ditches and ponds, stock tanks, maintain the fence lines.
Want to put some extra horsepower behind your operations? Click the link below to subscribe to Equipment World's daily newsletter for the latest construction equipment news, trends, and reviews.
This machine is set up with dual auxiliary ports, so I can plumb in an auxiliary attachment outside as well as plumb in a thumb, and I don't have to swap between. So I've got my thumb in bucket work. I can go do my landscape, hardscape work. Concrete guys will use this for their form work. LED lights, because it's a -5. This machine today is set up with our 6-way dozer blade option. So we've got 3 blade options for the KX040 that will include the straight blade, the angle blade, or in this case, the 6-way dozer blade. You can see by its position, we've also got the boom swing feature. This is available in both enclosed cab or open ROPS. All our cab units come with a roll-up, slide-up glass door in the front, adjustable windows on the side. It locks in place when elevated. We can take the bottom glass out and stow it here inside the cab. The travel sticks have been lowered slightly, provide just a little bit more ergonomic comfort as well as visibility to the front area when I'm digging. I've got increased foot space, increased cab space overall. This is one of the quietest cabs in the market for our lineup. Because it's a -5, we're coming out with the 7-inch LCD screen on all our -5 units. Moving forward, this screen, the USB charging port for the phone pocket for convenience, and then all the air vents needed for maximum airflow and comfort inside the cab. This is a full climate control, so both heat and AC. Things that are inside this monitor that the other -5s don't have. This is new for this machine. I can control auxiliary flow rates just like all the other machines, but this machine now has Bluetooth capable. I can listen to the radio and I can make and take calls all through this monitor and speakers in the cab. There is an optional dealer installed kit for a rear view camera. Standard feature for this machine is going to be the keyless start option. So it's just a key knob, password protected. So there'll be a passcode that has to be programmed in the monitor. This little black knob. So here I can switch from the ISO pattern to a backhoe pattern design in my pattern controls to accommodate any operator's choice of comfort in the field. A fully adjustable seat. It's a nice high back comfort seat. The hydraulic output of this machine has been redesigned, and we've moved the hydraulic valving and bank under the cab, but we've also got sound dampening plates in the floorboard and behind the seat to eliminate a lot of the operator noise. So it cuts down on the operator noise fatigue at the end of the day. You can sit in this machine and run it 8 hours all day long and not be tired. With the -5 coloring and design, we've got the same coloring that we have on all the other -5 machines, keeping it in the family. Again, maintenance is easy, serviceability is easy. There's a lot of stuff packed into a compact space, but organized. I'll show you another feature over here on this one. So on the KX040-5, we've also got a grease gun bracket mounted. We've got a fuel fill buzzer. So as I'm fueling my machine, I can grab my grease gun, activate the buzzer. The beeping increases as the tank gets more full. I grab the grease gun, I run down the side of the boom, because all my grease mounts, all my grease zerts are one-sided only on the pins. I can run down one side of the boom and hit all my grease zerts and then replace the grease gun. The buzzer tells me when my tank is full, stop the fuel, put the cap back on, and I'm ready to go to work.
For more videos like this, click the playlist on the screen now.